you'll be on it. So, all right, plot the point 3 comma negative 3 comma 4. So this is, I'm surprised I even gave this to you. So you just basically -3. The first coordinate is your x goes left or right. So you go to -3. The second coordinate, the 4, means you're going up or down. In case it's positive, you're going up. You're putting a point there, and that's it. 3 points for you. Pun intended. All right, second one. Graph the following feature. Okay, so they're telling you its slope is a half, and the y-intercept is -6. So you really want to start from here. Your y-intercept is at -6 on the y-axis. So I put a dot there. And then the slope is telling me up 1, right 2. And this is the nicer thing, by the way, about doing these quizzes on Delta. You don't have to plot like 6 points to get a straight line. It just does it for you. If you made a mistake, just tap the line. You can even tap the dot, start again, and it's all good. All right, and then you submit it at the bottom, and that's it. Let me see, by the way, it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. So I'll do them in groups of 4 or 5 or something. Next. So now find the slope of the line representing the equation below. I can't believe I gave this to you, but fine. So the slope is just going to be -4/5. Now let's see if they're going to what they're going to do. I don't have a keyboard theoretically. So you're just going to type -4/5. So you just write, I guess I'll annotate on this. So you would just type -4, and then you hit the slash button and 5, and that's it. I probably didn't give you that many on these. So next one. Okay, the y-intercept. Okay, so this one's a little interesting. Generally, when you're going to have these equations, in order to find the y-intercept, you want to get y alone. All right, so you want to get into, hood off please. You want to get into slope-intercept form. So you get y alone. So I'm going to separate the x and y. I'm going to add 5 to both sides. Sorry, I'm going to add 5y to both sides. So I got 5y equals 5x. Then I'm just dividing by 5, and I get y equals x as my equation. So they want the slope-intercept. The y-intercept. The y-intercept would always be this number here attached. It's called a constant. In this case, there is none, so the answer is just 0. All right. I kind of want to do one more of those to see if there's anything more interesting. Oops. Let's see that. There. Oh, this one's even easier. Oh, no, wait. Good. This is a good one. Look at this. Because my first reaction is just, oh, they want the slope. Either way, it's still going to be wrong. You can't do anything like this because, well, 2 reasons. One, y is not alone, and 2, y is still negative. So in order to find the slope or the y-intercept, you got to get y alone. So in this case, I'm going to go -2x to both sides. -2x to both sides. So I get -y equals -2x minus 4. But I never really care about negative y. I want positive y. So I'm going to divide or multiply everything by -1. So you get y equals 2x plus 4. Something's wrong there. Oh, this is a positive 4. Sorry. All right, I didn't finish yet. So 2x minus 4. Okay, that's my final answer. What do we want here? We want our slope. This is the slope right here. So it would just be 2. Yeah, you could write it as 2. I'm pretty sure delta is fine if you write it as 2 over 1. Let's see what else. Let's see another one here. Graphing linear equations is the 5th one, so I think we'll stop after this. All right, this is the first real one. I probably have a few of these on the quiz. Graphing the equation y equals x plus 1. So we're starting, we're putting a dot on the y-intercept. What I would do with these is I would say your m equals 1. You know what? I don't want this one. I want a new one because that's not great. Here we go. So we're gonna say m equals -1/3. In this case, that's this. My b equals -2, and then I'm going to use those points to plot. How can we do this where I guess I can't. So -2 and -1/3. So I guess I'll do this. -2, I'll put a dot here. And then -1/3 means I'm going down 1, right 3. If you were doing this on paper, you'd have to do this and backwards. But if we're doing this, once we have this, oh, I can't even do that. Well, this is what it looks like without all that. We put a dot here on -2. We go down 1, right 3, and there's our line. So that's the first 5 problems.